In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the pinned tab in M files. Without further ado, let's go. The pinned tab is a great way of keeping the documents and other objects you access frequently easily accessible. You can think of the pinned tab, for instance, as your computer desktop. The things you pin can easily be found and accessed through here. Now, how do you pin documents and objects in M files, you ask? It's very simple. You can pin objects either from the context menu or via the taskbar. Very convenient. How about the objects you can pin? What kind of objects can be pinned? In short, all of them. There is no limitations to what you can pin and how many objects you can pin. You can even pin views. Of course, when you start having a lot of information pinned, it might get a bit crowded and difficult to find the things you need. Luckily, there is an easy solution to that. The objects in your Pin tab can be grouped. You can have a group, for instance, for all the views you access frequently, documents by project, and so forth. After creating your groups, you can easily just drag the objects to their respective groups and you're all set. Removing objects from your pinned board is easy. You can remove objects via the context menu, using the three dots next to the object, or from the taskbar. To make accessing the Pin tab itself even easier, you can make it your Home tab. The Pinned tab is a convenient way of having your frequently accessed documents and other objects grouped and easily accessible. If you want to learn more about what you can do with M files, hop into another video. See you there.